There's some really good news today. Vox, the Populist Party of Spain, and friends of mine have shot from 0 seats to 24 seats in the Spanish general election. This party, founded just 5 years ago, has taken Spain by storm. Founded by a great patriotic and hero, Santiago Abascal, formerly of the Conservative Party, he decimated the Conservatives yesterday and stopped the extreme left forming a government. The Conservatives lost 71 seats. So what do they believe in? Vox believe in a small state, lower taxes and controlling immigration, just like the parties winning across Europe. Parties led by Marine Le Pen, Strache, Salvini and Wilders. The Populist, the parties of the people, for the people, just like Donald Trump. They're against globalism and the funding of NGOs that work against the nation state. Taking a phrase from Donald Trump's campaign, and one of mine, they aim to make Spain great again. There is a hard lesson here for Europe and the UK's tired and out-of-date Conservative parties. The populists are coming to get you. Take Italy. Salvini is polling at 37%, with the Conservatives trailing at 9%. France's Conservatives have disappeared, with Le Pen's National Rally topping the European polls. In the UK, the Brexit supporting parties are leading the polls. The Conservatives are trailing. The EU elections will see some huge changes. Conservatives and Socialists will lose out to the Populists, and it's delicious to watch. It's time for Conservatives to become conservative again and join with the Populists, otherwise the dreams of lower taxes, smaller state and closing our borders and protecting our Western values will be lost. So I say Viva Spain, Viva Vox. This is Janice Atkinson for the Rebel.media. I'll keep bringing you updates on Brexit and reporting that you won't get from the mainstream media. Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell symbol never to miss another Rebel video. Thank you very much.